Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acrees Lawn Care here. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video, we have something a little bit different. We're going to be installing a water irrigation system. The gardens need it. And we've partnered up with HydroSure, which are water irrigation specialists. And I reached out to them and told them that my customer needed a watering system, and they sent me one. Great stuff. So we're going to unbox it and talk you through it, basically set it up and let you know what it's like. And if this is something you're interested in, we've got a link in the description where you can find this product. Let's crack on. So this kit here is the complete 15 microspray irrigation system, 50 meter pipe. So that's your 50 meter pipe. Then you comes with your spray nozzles, which are like this, and you've got 180 degrees and 360 degrees in there. You've also got a pipe attachment there, so that can go straight into, that'll go onto the pipe and then straight into the water outlet. You've got your connections here. So what's great about this is you can use this pretty much over brick walls to go around corners and stuff like that. So you can see here, this is like a diagram of what you could have. So you've got your your water coming out, and then you've got it splitting off so you can go different ways around the bed. So it comes with plenty of attachments to suit your needs. Right, so what we're going to do first is we are going to unravel the hose, because it recommends you leave it out for an hour just to sort of, the hose can relax, because obviously it's been tied up like that. So Gaz, do you want to do that for us? We're going to unravel it, just take it along. And where we're going to be installing it, so we're going to run it along here, run it down along this bed and through. And what we want to do is try and keep these front of the beds watered, because this is where all the bedding plants and stuff go. And at the minute, the customer's putting a sprinkler on each night, and as you can see, the lawn's not improving, so it's kind of wasting water because it's just been so hot recently. So the best thing about this product is it uses 50% less water, and it's targeting the areas that you want hit. So the bedding plants, for example, you know, you can pinpoint exactly where you want to water. We've cut the pipe, fairly easy to cut, sharp pair of Secateurs. What this bit is designed for, this will curve round and tuck in there, and it will clamp shut. So at the end of this season, when you're finished with it, what you can do is you can pull it out, drain the system, so when you get the frost in the winter, you're not going to cause any damage to the pipe work. So say for instance you cut your pipe too short, this is a double-ended connector, so you can basically put this in one end and attach the pipe the other. And so you've basically solved the problem of cutting too short. Lovely stuff.
Lovely jubbly.
Oh wait, it's coming. We have water.
Yep, there we go.
Sorted. Right, so pipe's running through. As you can see, it's going down the centre of the bed, running all the way along here, down under, basically all the way through here a little bit. So for example, we're going to have just move this out underneath, just make sure it's sitting and laying flat down and not resting on anything. Now we have to install the sprayer heads, and then we also can just clamp down the pipe if we're happy with where it is. So it comes with these little pegs that you can clamp the pipe down just to ensure it stays in place. I'm going to install a 180 because it's this area here in front of me where the bedding plants are that I want to focus on. As you can see, these geraniums here. So what's pretty cool is that at the bottom of the actual sprayer is you've got the puncher to puncture the hose. So you've got little needles. So what I'm going to do, basically, find where I want it, which is going to be about here. Simple as that. Pull it out, and then this part here, this is going to connect into here. This, oh, sorted, lovely stuff, and it's done. As simple as that. So what I want to do now is I just want to quickly turn it on and make sure it works. Whoa! That is spraying out.
Hold on a sec. As you can see, it's spraying out.
So,
it's
yeah,
a little bit more over than 180, isn't it, really?
Yeah, it's much more than 180.
Oh, so that, as you turn the nozzle,
this will, you can adjust this nozzle
how powerful
to
it is.
how much water you want coming out.
Right.
So that's pretty good.
My foot's kind of wet right now.
Sorry about that, mate. So, I'm going to pop this in here. So these actually spread quite far, to be honest.
Yeah,
so
it's quite nice.
It's doing a nice coverage there. So, and obviously you can angle these as well. So if you want it to sort of make sure it's going to hit the area exactly you want, you can. And the good thing is it's going to hit the shrubs around it and the water's going to drip and drop anyway.
You can almost have a shower, mate.
You can do. Right, so I'm going to turn that one off for a minute. And then we're going to move on to the next one. Hey, so this is a bit of footage of the 180, which is this one here. As you can see, it'll only cover, it's only sort of got like a half rounded tip on it. Whereas this one here, if you go in on top, it sort of like sprays 360 all around. So we're going to put one of these in now.
See, you've got a lady friend with you.
So I want the next one to go here, and I'm going to use a 360 one because there's stuff around here that I want to cover. So you've got your lavenders, your sedums. This is a fairly new Photinia, so I want to make sure that's getting enough water. And then obviously you've got the Baggerman's Gold right behind me. So I would just want to make sure that this gets a good coverage. So I'm going to use the 360 one. So it's as simple as puncher.
Whoa. We should have
turned the water off.
we should have turned the water off.
Rookie error.
Alright, 1 second, mate. Alright. So what are you doing?
I'm just clearing out. Got a little bit of dirt in the end of that one. Right.
So that's in. Punctured.
So put this one around that here. And then
that's a 360
this
one,
is a 360 one. So I'm going to go and turn that one on.
So you can see it's spraying 360. Yeah, that should be fine, isn't it? So water's actually coming. It's actually coming out over here.
Yeah, so we need to just adjust it to make sure that it's not water in the lawn, it's just water in the bed. So I can actually move it back in a bit.
Oh god. A lot of leg shots.
What, coming out?
Oh wait, it's been raining, has it?
It's been raining, yes.
Finally.
So we've got them installed here. So we've mixed them up. We've got 360 and 180s in areas going along, as you can see there. Might have overlapped a few times. There's one in here. There's one in here. There's one in there. You can't really see that one, unfortunately. And then we've got one in here as well. One in here, one in there. And we've still got some left over. So I want to check the water, check the pressure on them and see how they're doing. And we'll go from there. Gaz is just adjusting them just to make sure they're getting the coverage. But as you can see, it's all starting to get, it's reaching quite a far area.
About just over a metre from where it is.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 metres.
This one here is doing all right. Slowly get wet. I had to turn that one down a bit because it was really jetting out. So now it's not.
Going on there. It's like...
It's just basically needs to be adjusted a little bit. It's better.
Put one at the end here?
Yep.
I'll put one at the end
Yeah,
there.
put one in.
Just do 180 one.
Okay, so we've set them up, they're on, and the coverage is pretty good. This is starting to get all nice and wet now in here. You can see it's all getting nice and damp over this section here. It's getting watered. Lovely stuff. It's getting watered. So the areas that we wanted watered are getting watered, which is brilliant. I will do, yeah. Over here as well, this is all nicely getting watered. That's what we wanted to achieve, this front area getting soaked. As has just gone round and basically he's been pegging them down. The ground is solid, so it's really difficult to get them in. This ground definitely needs some water. But yeah, this product here, so HydroSure, if you're interested, I've left a link in the description. This product retails at, I think it is around about £81. And yeah, I mean, my personal opinion, and I'm not just saying this because I've partnered with them, it is a good bit of kit. It does really work, and you know, it's very, very easy to install. I mean, I could easily install this if obviously one of us wasn't filming. This would be easy to install on your own, and it comes with a ton of different accessories you can use. For example, if you want to go around a corner, like I said, you've got those accessories to do that. And the instructions as well couldn't be any more clearer, you know. So you've got these type of accessories here which you can use basically if you want to go left or right. You want the hose pipe coming off and you're going to go to a bed on the left and a bed on the right, you can do that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. The link in the description, so check them out. They've got tons of different bits of kit on there, so you've got different types. This is a 50-meter length pipe with 15 nozzles, but there are smaller ones you can buy if you've got a smaller garden. And then the great thing about this is that you can attach it to a timer as well. So if you're going on holiday and you're worried about your plants, literally attach it to the timer, set it to go off when you want it to go off, and rest assured your plants will be watered. Thanks for watching, guys, appreciate it, and we will see you in the next video.